answer number one is the definition of morphology from online sources is according to Wikipedia. Morphology is linguistics is the study of words, how they are formed and their relationship to other words in the same language. It analyzes the structure of words and parts of words such as stems, root words, prefixes, and suffix. The answer number two is the definition from the second source, that is how linguists define morphology, which are as follows according to Aronoff M. and Fudeman K. 2011, are of the opinion that morphology in linguistics refers to the mental system involved in word formation or to the branch of linguistics that deals with words, their internal structure, and how they are formed. The answer number three is, in my own understanding, morphology is branch of linguistics that studies the formation and structure of words. It focuses on how smaller units of meaning, called morphemes, such as roots, prefix, and suffix, combine to form words and express meaning. Morphology examines how words are created, how they change form, and how these changes relate to their grammatical and semantic function in a language. The answer number four is yes, I agree with the statement that before examining morphology in depth, we need to know word lexeme and word form, because morphology is the study of how words are formed and structured. So understanding what a word actually is becomes the foundation. We need to know how a word functions independently and how it carries meaning. Next, understanding lexeme helps us recognize that different forms like drive, drifts, drove, and driven belong to the same basic meaning or vocabulary item. Finally, knowing word form allows us to see how lexeme change according to grammatical functions such as tense or number. The answer number five is from the explanation in the book. Word lexeme and word form do not refer to the same concept, although they are closely related in morphology. A word is the smallest element of language that can be spoken or written, has its own word class, and still carries meaning even when it stands alone. For example, the word drive is considered a word because it can stand independently and has meaning. Next, lexeme is the basic form of word that includes all of its different variations. For instance, drives, drifts, drove, driven, and driving belong to the same lexeme, drive, because they share the same core meaning. Meanwhile, a word form refers to a specific grammatical form of lexeme used according to grammatical function in a sentence. For example, drove is the word form of the lexeme drive used to express a past action. The answer number 6 is Word structure, morpheme, and affix are essential elements in the study of morphology because they explain how words are formed and carry meaning. Every language has its own word structure, which shows how smaller parts combine to create complete words. The smallest meaningful unit of a word is called a morpheme. A morpheme cannot be divided further without losing its meaning. Morphemes are divided into two types. One is free morphemes and two is bound morphemes. A free morpheme can stand alone as a word, such as book, run, happy, while a bound morpheme cannot stand alone and must attach to another word, such as as, an, or ed. One special type of bound morpheme is called an affix. Affixes are added to the base or root word to change its meaning or grammatical function. There are several types of affix. Prefix, and one is prefix added before the root, unhappy. Two is suffix added after root, like teacher. The three is an infix inserted within the word, though rare in English. Based on their function, affix are also divided into derivational affix, which create new word or change word classes, like beauty to beautiful, and inflectional affix, which show grammatical change such as tense or number, like talk to talk, book to books. Therefore, understanding word structure, morphemes, and affix helps us recognize how words develop and function in a language.